Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we will learn how to uninstall PyCharm from Windows 10 machine. So let's start. If you are new to my channel, subscribe the channel, like the video. So in search bar, type here PyCharm, and from here, I accidentally clicked. Need to close that first. PyCharm. We have to end this task, and let's type again PyCharm. And if we right click on here, we also get here uninstall. And if we go to click control panel, and from here in programs, click on uninstall and just search here PyCharm. And we have here PyCharm. Right click on this and click on uninstall. Click on yes from the pop-up. So PyCharm will be uninstalled from this following folder. Okay. Please confirm if you would like to delete the caches. Yes. Delete PyCharm 20 2023.2.3 caches. Yes. Delete PyCharm settings. Share the uninstall direct. It's up to you. And click on uninstall. So it will take a little time and PyCharm will remove from your system. So PyCharm is uninstalled. Click on close. Close this. Let's try to type again PyCharm. So you can see PyCharm is gone. So good luck guys. If you have any curious suggestion, feel free to comment below. Subscribe to the channel and like the video.